You are?
Vian.
Vian. What business do you have?
Actually, sa dad ko po, yung siya yung awardee. Yung may mga sasakyan po for car maintenance. Yun yung business ng dad ko po.
Well, I guess lahat yan may sasakyan. Ano? Okay.
Sila mabibenta.
Yes, yes. V, right? V and Arlene. Now, you told me that you know how to sing, okay? Unfortunately, there's gonna be only one winning the buffet for two. Here, it's hard, two sentences, chorus. You just have to make sure that the guests will love it because the guests will decide who is the deserving one for our special prize. Alright? Mas magaling kumanta. She will be winning our special prize moment. Okay. V, here we go. We would like to hear your voice. V, any sample in 3, 2, 1, and sing.
Okay, sige. Kakapalan ko na dito na ako. Okay. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, magkasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko.
Palakpakan niya naman si V, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, that was awesome. Sa sobrang galing mo kumanta, napabackout na. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the last moment standing is V. Here's your gift from the buffet for two. Alright, enjoy.